Jai Hind everyone. I am Ayushi, Assistant Professor from IT Department. Today I am here to teach you about searching, which is going to be a topic of Unit 4. So, first of all, it is very important to know what is searching. Searching is a technique or a method where we want to search a specific element from a one-dimensional array. If the element is already exist in array and we have found where the element is existing in the array, we have to return its location also. So we can say that searching is a method or an approach to search a particular specified element from a one-dimensional array, and after searching, after identifying that whether this element is existing in the array or not, we have to return the location of the specified element in the present array also. Okay. So searching is of two types. Searching is of two types: linear search and binary search. First of all, we are going to discuss what is linear search. Linear, as the name suggests, linear. You all know about what is linear graph, linear curve. It is a straight line, sequential. All the coordinates on the graph are going to be in sequential order. Similarly, in linear search, we are going to check or compare each and every element of the array with the element we want to search. So, coming towards what is a linear search? As per the name linear, it is also referred as sequential search. The linear search is also known as sequential search. It is the simplest technique among two types of searching techniques. What were the two searching techniques? Linear and binary. Among linear search and binary search, linear search is considered as the simplest technique of searching an element. But it works better. There are different scenarios. In one scenario, linear search is going to work better, and in other scenario, binary search is going to work better. In an array where all the elements are stored in unsorted fashion, unsorted order, neither descending nor ascending, in random sequence they are placed in the array. In that situation, linear search is better to use linear search rather than using binary search. It operates by comparing each element in the collection or the set or the list by one in sequential order. Each and every element is going to be compared one by one every time with the element we want to search, until either the desired element is found in the array or the end of the list, end of the array is reached. या तो क्या होगा, हमें वो एलिमेंट array में मिल जाएगा, और अगर नहीं मिला तो वो कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे? जब हमारा इंडेक्स वैल्यू रीड होते होते इंक्रीज होते होते अंटिल n-1 तक रीच करेगा, तब हम आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे कि n-1 में एक और डिक्रीमेंट हुआ तो क्या हो गया, n-1 में एक और इंक्रीज हुई वैल्यू तो क्या हो गया, n. If index value has turned into n, that means end of the list is reached. उसके बाद कोई और एलिमेंट एग्जिस्ट नहीं करता है एरे में. तो अगर हम सारे एलिमेंट्स चेक कर चुके हैं एरे में, कोई और एलिमेंट फर्दर एग्जिस्ट नहीं कर रहा है एरे में, और तब भी हमें कोई एलिमेंट हमारा मैच नहीं हुआ उस एलिमेंट से जो हम सर्च करना चाहते हैं, तो उस सिनेरियो में हम क्या अज्यूम कर लेंगे, क्या मान लेंगे, क्या कंक्लूजन आएगा कि एलिमेंट दैट वी वांट टू सर्च does not exist in the given list or given array. All right. So it is better to understand this particular searching technique with the help of an example. We are going to take 6 elements in an array. Value of n. N is what? Number of elements in array. We are going to take 6 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 with index value starting from 0. With index value starting from 0. Suppose elements are 9, 13, 23, 33, 4 and 62. all these elements are in unsorted order. Unsorted, neither they are placed in increasing order nor in decreasing order. Then what we are going to do? First thing, we have decided how many elements we are going to take in the array. Second thing, we have also entered all the elements in the array, correct? Then third thing, we have to know, we should know before searching that which element we want to search. If we doesn't know what element we are going to search, which element we are going to search in the array, then how will searching is going to perform? So we have decided that key value is going to be, suppose, 33. Key is what? Key. Here key is referring to what? Key term is denoting what? The element we want to search. It is up to you. You want to take it as key or you want to take it as search. It is going to be a user-defined identifier, user-defined item. So it's up to you to name this particular variable. Then now we have a parameter, we have a dedicated value up to which we want to over which we want to perform searching. So how this linear search is going to happen? We are going to compare each and every element of the array with 33, with key element. With every comparison, we get to know whether we have found our element or not. So first element is identified as A0, second as A1, third as A2, A3, A4 and A5. The very first comparison is going to be with A0. So our logic is going to be that whether key is equals to AI, and I will range from 0 to 5. If value of n is 6, then index value will range from 0 to n minus 1. n minus 1 will return 6 minus 1, 5. So for the very first time, value of I is going to be 0. For 0th index value. Then when we compare A0 is what? 9. 33 is equals to 9. False. This is not true. If this is not true, then we will compare 33, counter will increase and we will compare 33 with A1. 33 is equals to 13. It will return false. No, these values are not equal. They both are not equal. Then counter of I will get incremented one more time. Then I is going to be 2. When I will get incremented, I will turn into 2. Then A2 is going to be compared with 33. 33 is equals to 23. False. Then one more time, element index value will get incremented. I will get incremented. One more time we will compare 33. 33 is what? Key. And AI is what? 33. 33 is equals to 33. Correct. Now we have found our desired element, the element we want to search. 33 is located at what location? At index value 3 and at location 4. If you refer the definition of the linear search, I have already told you we have to find the element in the array and also return the index value or the location of the element which is present in the array. That yes, we have found this element you are searching and this is present at this location. Both these parameters, both these values we have to display also. So we have found this element at this location, at location 4. This is the fourth element in the array. First, second, third and fourth. Index value is what? 3. But location is what? 4. This is how linear search has been performed. We perform linear search like this only. So the program for this, for the beginning of the program, first we will have to mention header files. Then we will declare the elements we are going to take in the particular program. Elements are variables. What and how many variables we are going to take in this particular program. So to begin with, first we will mention header files. stdiu.h, studio.h and conio.h. Because we are going to use multiple predefined functions which has been already defined in these two header files. Later, we will call main function, and return type of main we have taken as int, integer value. Then we will declare few variables. First, counter variable I, that is going to store or to show work on the index value of array I. Then array of size 10, and at compile time we can enter elements in this array. Suppose we have elements 22, 19, 12, 33, 4, 0, 1 and 9. Ten elements we have entered in this array of name A. Then what more variables we should take? Key variable. Correct? Now we have n number of elements. N is here. We have taken elements in array at compile time. So n is equals to what? 10. And number of elements are these. So an array of size 10 for 10 elements has been created with these 10 different integer values. Then at runtime we will ask the user what is going to be the key value, what is going to be the value you want to search in the array. So we will display a message input element you want to search. And for giving input, we have to implement scanf function, mod d for integer value, and address of key, the value you want to search will get stored. Later, we have no need to run a loop to enter elements in array, because at compile time we have already taken the elements in the array. Now we can start directly the searching process. To search the element we have already declared, that we have already stored in key variable. Suppose you have entered element 33, that you want to search 33 in the given array. For that, you have to apply a counter. You have to start the counter variable I from the very first index 0, and it will run up till index value 9. Less than 10 means that counter will increase up till the value of I reaches 9. And by the time value will get incremented one more time by 1, 9 plus 1 is going to be 10. 10 is less than 10, condition will going to be false, and then no more time loop will get executed. So I plus plus. So within this loop, we are going to perform the conditional statement. That conditional statement will compare each element of the entered array, each element of the array, one-dimensional array, with the key element unless you have found your desired element. Before writing the code further, I want to tell you one more thing. There are some situations where you have entered same value multiple times, mistakenly, knowingly or unknowingly. Then what will happen? Our searching process will get no effect if you entered one value multiple times. There is no impact of number of frequency of a number if you want to a particular number. The very first time you encounter the number you want to search in the array, the very first time you encounter that number, you have to stop the searching process. Whether it is occurring 2, 3 more times in your array, that doesn't matter. What matters only that when you have encountered your array, your element in the array. There are some situations, there are going to be cases where a same element is going to repeated multiple times. But what we have to do? Nothing. कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता इससे कि वो एलिमेंट 2, 3 बार 4 बार और आ रहा है. हमें बस ये एनकाउंटर करना है, हमें ये पता लगाना है कि जो हम एलिमेंट सर्च करना चाहते हैं वो हमारे एरे में एग्जिस्ट कर रहा है या नहीं कर रहा है. ये कैसे पता चलेगा? एक बार भी अकरेंस उसकी आ रही है, फर्स्ट फ्रीक्वेंसी पर, फर्स्ट अकरेंस पर ही हमें मैसेज डिस्प्ले करा देना है, यस दिस एलिमेंट एग्जिस्ट इन आवर एरे एट दिस लोकेशन. हमें फर्दर उसकी अकरेंसेस, उसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी कौन सी लोकेशन पर आ रही है वो बताने की कोई नीड नहीं है. ओके, तो we will write a conditional statement because we are going to compare each and every element of array starting from index 0 to n-1, 0 to n in this 9 in this situation. If the element you want to search key is equals to a of I. A of I is going to denote each and every element starting from first location to last index value of the array. If key is equals to AI, your element is matched with the element of array, then what we will do? We will just display, we have to display a message that element, that specific element found at location mod D, at location mod of D, comma first value of modulus D. From where we will get first value of modulus D is going to be accessed from variable. I am going to write in second line, from variable key. Yes, the element you want to search that you have stored in key variable is found at location, and for location we have to write a value plus 1, value of index plus 1. If your element is at location 33, is at what location? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 33 is at index number 3 and location is going to be, location is equals to index value plus 1. So we will write key comma I plus 1. If I is what? 3, then location is going to be 3 plus 1, 4. Alright. And the time, by the time we have encountered the element in the array, we should have stopped our searching process. There is no need to search further. हमें जो एलिमेंट हमें सर्च करना था वो एलिमेंट हमें मिल गया एरे में. अब वो चाहे 1 मोर टाइम आ रहा हो, 2 मोर टाइम आ रहा हो, हमें उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ना चाहिए. हमें तुरंत अपनी सर्चिंग प्रोसेस वहीं पर स्टॉप कर देनी चाहिए. लूप फर्दर हमें इंक्रीज या फर्दर नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स हमें चलाने की नीड ही नहीं है. हमें जो एलिमेंट चाहिए था वो हमें लोकेशन नंबर 3 पर मिल गया, लोकेशन नंबर 4 पर मिल गया, इंडेक्स नंबर 3 पे मिल गया. तो हम I4 से लेकर 9 टाइम अननेसेसरीली क्यों रन करें? सो टू स्टॉप द कंट्रोल ऑफ प्रोग्राम to further execute the loop, we will mark one more keyword, break. After returning this message that 33 element found at location 4, we will writing what? Break statement. What will break do? It will break the control of the loop. It will break the control of the loop from control of program from the loop and bring the control of program outside the loop. ब्रेक ने क्या करा? जिस पर्टिकुलर कंडीशन के लिए हमने ब्रेक एनकाउंटर करा उस कंडीशन के लिए वहीं पर इटरेशन, नंबर ऑफ इटरेशन स्टॉप हो जाएगी. आई की वैल्यू फर्दर और इंक्रीज नहीं होगी और प्रोग्राम का कंट्रोल ब्रेक को रीड कर सीधा क्या आ जाएगा? प्रोग्राम से बाहर आ जाएगा, लूप से बाहर आ जाएगा. ऑलराइट. एंड व्हाट इफ हमने 0 से लेकर 9 तक, सपोज द वैल्यू वी वांट टू सर्च इज 17. द वैल्यू वी वांट टू सर्च in an array is 17 is 17. 17 is not present in this particular entered array. We have searched from index value 0 to 9 and one more time if value of I is 9. Key element is what? 17. 17 is equals to A9. A9 is what? 16. 17 is equals to 16. Condition is false. If false, हम लास्ट एलिमेंट तक ट्रैवर्स कर चुके हैं लेकिन हमें हमारा डिजायर्ड एलिमेंट, स्पेसिफाइड एलिमेंट एरे में मिला ही नहीं है. उस पर्टिकुलर सिचुएशन में हम क्या करें? तो लूप से जब हमारा कंट्रोल 9 की वैल्यू क्या हुई? कंडीशन क्या है? फॉल्स. व्हेन वन मोर टाइम लूप रन होगा तो आई की वैल्यू 9 से अपडेट होकर क्या हो जाएगी? 10. बट जब कंडीशन मैच होगी अपडेटेड वैल्यू के लिए तो 10 इज लेस देन 10. कंडीशन क्या हो गई? फॉल्स. फॉल्स होने पर लूप का कंट्रोल कहाँ आ जाएगा? लूप से बाहर. तो उस पर्टिकुलर सिचुएशन में हम क्या करेंगे? आई एम राइटिंग हियर ओनली आफ्टर टर्मिनेटिंग दिस लूप हियर we will write one more condition that if I is equals to 10, अगर I की वैल्यू इंक्रीज होते होते क्या हो जाती है? 10. दैट मीन्स हम लास्ट एलिमेंट तक ट्रैवर्स कर चुके हैं बट हमें एरे में कहीं भी वो पर्टिकुलर एलिमेंट 17 मिला ही नहीं. तो वो क्या सिग्निफाई करेगा कि printf not found. Not found, element not found. Why this particular condition is important to specify? I is equals to 10. एक ऐसी सिचुएशन भी आएगी जहां पे जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल अभी हमने सबसे पहली वैल्यू जो सर्च करी थी वो एरे में क्या थी? 33. तो उस सिचुएशन में जब इंडेक्स वैल्यू जब रिटर्न होगी तो वो क्या होगी? 3. 3 इज इक्वल्स टू 10. नो. तो क्या ये पर्टिकुलर मैसेज ऐसी सिचुएशन में डिस्प्ले होगा ही नहीं. ऑलराइट स्टूडेंट्स, होपफुली आप सभी को ये पर्टिकुलर लाइक सर्चिंग टेक्निक समझ में आई होगी. And in the next lecture we are going to study, I'm going to teach you another searching approach, that is binary search. Okay, thank you.